Welcome to Inteiiij channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Intellij Idea on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now for this, just go ahead and open up your browser and on Google, just search for download Inteiiij Idea and hit enter. After that, just go to the first link. From here, you'll see the download option, but this is for Intellij Idea Ultimate, which is the paid version of this software, but we will download the Intellij Idea Community Edition, which is just under it. So just scroll down and download this. Now it will start your download, but I already have mine downloaded, so I'm just gonna open it. You just download, then open your file. Just click on yes if it asks for permission, and click on next. Then just select where you want to install it, and then just click on next. After that, select everything that you want to add to the software and click on next again. Then just click on install. Then just give it some time, the software will install for you. And after it has been installed, just click on this, run Intellij Idea Community Edition and click on finish. Then just wait, the Intellij Idea will open. You can click on skip or import, whatever you want. There you go, your Intellij Idea has been installed. And basically that is how to download and install Intellij Idea on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.